what is drop shipping and what are the tax consequences of drop shipping? A drop shipping transaction involves a situation where a seller is selling a product to a buyer, but shipping that product to the buyer's customer, which may or may not be located in a different state. Drop shipping is an incredibly complicated thing from a tax perspective because you may have one party or multiple parties in multiple jurisdictions. You could have a California seller, you could have a Florida buyer, and you could have a customer in New York where the product is ultimately going to. So the biggest challenge for tax professionals in this situation is, where do you pay the tax to? And with customers, this is really important because there are a variety of issues around the situs of tax. Which state has jurisdiction to collect the tax revenue that make this incredibly complicated. So in a drop shipping transaction, you want to make sure you understand the different types of situations that your company faces and then create a plan around how to address those, both from a tax filing perspective and then also in your sales process so that you're collecting the appropriate documentation and you're doing what you can to mitigate your own risk in this situation. The problem with a lot of dropshipping transactions is many companies assume that because product is going one place or because their customer is located one place, that they're not obligated to collect tax. And unfortunately, the way that most state sales tax laws are written, particularly surrounding dropshipping transactions, is it puts the client on the hook for liability unless they're collecting resale certificates from that particular state or they're taking other appropriate measures to mitigate their risk. So there are a lot of tax consequences to dropshipping. There's a lot of variables that go into dropshipping transactions, and so you want to make sure that when you're engaging in dropshipping, or if you're in any part of the drop shipping spectrum, so to speak, that you understand the tax consequences and are taking appropriate action.